This is a beautiful 1966 Chevy Impala SS convertible. 396 under the hood. You'll see how really nice it looks under the hood here. Usual power brakes and power steering. And we have air conditioning, the compressor over there on the left side. That 396 sitting right there in the middle. Beautiful. Notice that even the battery has the original style tops on the individual cells. Finish of the car is spectacular. And you'll note the blue interior, which is impeccable, with the console and the 4-speed manual there on the floor. And you notice the clock there on top of the dash. I talked to the owner about that, and yes, if you got a certain package, that became the position of the clock on top of the dash. Unfortunately, I didn't get around to the driver's side, but I think you get a pretty good view of how gorgeous that interior is. And now you get a view of how big that trunk is. Very spacious. Excellent, excellent design. Beautiful.